Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to calculate the present value of annuity in a very simple way. Have you ever wondered how much money you need today if you are going to receive equal payments every year in the future? That is exactly what present value of annuity helps us calculate. So let us understand this step by step with a simple example. So first we should know what is the formula for calculating the present value of annuity. So here you can see, all of you, the formula for calculating present value of annuity is equal to I into bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus R by N bracket close power of minus NT. Remember, minus NT divided by R divided by N bracket close. Here I is equal to amount of annuity or installment that we are going to receive. R is the rate of interest, N is number of payments made in a year, and T is number of years. So keeping this formula in the mind, we will start solving different types of examples so that it is very clear to all of you. So we will take the first example for present value of annuity. Here Ahmed received an offer from a publishing house which agreed to pay him for his work with $2,200 to be paid at 6% rate of interest at the end of each year for 6 years. So what will be the present value of annuity of such an offer? Okay, always see, I will tell you the steps of solving any practical questions. The first thing is that we have to read the question very carefully. After reading the first time, we should try to understand what is required from the question, what we have to solve. So first, after understanding, the second step, we will write down the formula for calculating. Okay, so we have read this. Now we have understood that we need to find out the present value of annuity. So here you can see, first we will write the formula. Present value of annuity is equal to I into bracket 1 minus 1 plus R by N bracket close minus NT divided by R by N bracket close. Okay. Second step. Third steps, we will write down the values of all the things which is provided. The first is I. What is my I? I here given is $2,200. So my I is the amount of investment is 2,200. Then we will write the next point which is given. The next is R. So what is my R? R is nothing but the rate of interest. Rate of interest here is 6%. 6% means 6 divided by 100. So it will come to 6 divided by 100. It will come to 0.06. Now see, go as per the formula. Now we have to write what is N. N means whether it is monthly, annually, quarterly or semi-annually. Just I have explained you like in the compound interest, how to calculate compound interest. So N here is, it is year. Here it is mentioned, it is each year. Year means, so N will be 1. Then we will write T. What is my T? The time period. For how much time I will be investing it. Keep it invested. So T is 6 years. So I will write here my T is 6 years. Now also write NT. We need to find out what is NT. So calculate, write the amount here only. NT. N is 1. Multiply by 6. So my NT is 6. So this is what we have written, the values which is given in the questions. Now we will just find it out. We will solve it as per the problems. We will replace it in the formula. So my present value of annuity is equal to, what is my I? My I is 2,200 big bracket, then 1 minus, again bracket, 1 plus my R is 0.06 divided by n is 1, bracket close. My NT, what is my NT? My NT is 6, so NT is minus 6. The bigger bracket we will close it. Again it is not complete, divided by R. What is my R? 0.06 divided by 1. Okay, now we will just simplify it. So here we will write present value of annuity. I am writing it in a short form, is equal to 2200. Calculate this, take your calculator, and in the calculator first calculate the first part, this part, the top one. 1 minus, then bracket, 1 plus 0.06 bracket close, take the power of minus 6, then press equal to. When you press equal to, you will get this amount. You will get 0.2950394 divided by 0.06 bracket close. So when you calculate this, 0.2950394 divided by 0.06, you will get, so 2200, you will get 4.91732333. So when now 2200 multiplied by 4.91732333, we will get the answer. Our answer is how much? Our answer is 108.11. So this is my present value of annuity. Is that clear to everyone? First we will read the question. Second step, write down the formula. Third one, write down the values of each things which is mentioned in the formula, I, R, N, T, NT, and then substitute the value, calculate, you will get the answers. Okay, we will take another question. Okay, if Alice decided to deposit 5,000 at the end of each year to contribute towards her dream house for 10 years, then calculate the present value of such annuity if interest is earned at 5% per annum on such investment. If nothing is given, whether it is monthly, quarterly, half yearly, we should assume it is annually. So N will be 1. Okay, so what is our first step? We have read the questions. It is asking to us to calculate the present value of annuity. So first we will write the formula, present value of annuity. What is the formula? I, the bracket, 1 minus bracket 1 plus R by N bracket close minus NT, this bracket again close, divided by R divided by N. So this is my formula. Now we will write the values of whatever is given. What is my I? My I is 5,000. Alice decide to deposit 5,000. What is the R, rate of interest she will be getting? It's 5%. 5 divided by 100, it will come to 0.05. N. What is my N? Whether it is monthly or yearly, it is mentioned, nothing is mentioned, it will be 1 yearly. N is equal to 1. Then what is the time T? For how much period? 10 years. So one more thing we need to write it down. NT. What is my N? 1 multiply by 10. T. That is 10. So my NT is 10. Now what we will do? We will just put it in the formula. Substitute. So PV of annuity is equal to, what is my I? 5000 bracket 1 minus, again this bracket, what is the 1 plus, how much is our rate of interest is 0.05 divided by N. N is 1, bracket close, power of NT. N is 10 minus 10, this bracket close, again divided by R. 0.05 divided by 1. Now again we'll simplify. Present value of annuity is equal to 5000. I just told you in the previous question. First calculate this, the top one. Okay. So 1, take it on your calculator. Start calculating. 1 minus into bracket 1 plus 0.05 bracket close, take power of minus 10 equal to, solve as it is, no need to be confused, as it is. So when you calculate the top one, what answer you will be getting? 0.3860,867,465. Why I am writing this complete? Because we will be getting the very correct answer, perfect answer. Divide by again 0.05. Now same, no need to change. You got this amount 0.3860867. Keep that on your calculator and then divide it by 0.5. So we will get the present value of annuity is equal to 5000. Again, when you divide the 0.3860867,465 divided by 0.05, you will get 7.721734929. Now when you will multiply it by 5000, we will get the answer, that is $38,608.67. So this is how we calculate the present value of annuity. Okay, we will take one more question. Find out the present value of annuity of $2,000 paid at the end of each year for 4 years at 11% annually compounded interest. Okay, so again we have read the questions, we have understood, we need to find out the present value of annuity. So the first thing what we will be doing it, we will write the formula. Present value of annuity is equal to I bracket 1 minus, again the small bracket, 1 plus R divided by N bracket close, power of minus NT, this bracket close, divided by R by N. Now we will just substitute whatever information is given. What is my I? I is $2,000. Go as per the formula step by step. Then R. What is my R? R is rate of interest 11%. 11 divided by 100, it will come to 0.11. Then what is my n? It is annually, so n will be 1. Again, time period t, what is the time period? 4. So my nt will be 1 multiplied by 4, which is 4. Now we will just substitute in the formula. Present value of annuity is equal to 2000 bracket 1 minus 1 plus, what is my R, rate of interest? 0.11 divided by n, n is 1, this bracket close, power of nt, we have written 4 minus 4, this bracket close, bigger bracket, again divide this by, our rate of interest is 0.01 divided by 1. Now just take your calculator, start from here. 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.01 bracket close, power of minus 4. First calculate what is given on the top. So 2000, we will get the answer. It will be 0.3412690,259 divided by 0.11 bracket close. Now we will get present value of annuity 2000 multiplied by 3.10244,569. So when you multiply 2000 multiplied by 3.10244,569, we will get our present value of annuity, which is 6204.89. This is my answer. Okay, so this is how we calculate the present value of annuity. Now if you like this video, just subscribe to the video so that you will be keeping on getting the new videos which I will be posting, because my next video I will be making on how to calculate future value of annuity in a very simple way. Okay, so subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so you will get the notification, and share this with your friends and like it. Okay, so we will meet again with the next video, on which we will be learning how to calculate the future value of annuity in a very simple way.